Hello, my name is Mark Sterling, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about decline push-ups. You could get anything to do a decline push-up. You could get a chair or a table or anything like that. I just use like a step ladder to do it. But let me show you real quick. A decline push-up is very important. It works your upper chest, your triceps, your front delts and stuff like that. So I got a pair of beer claws. I'm going to use these right here to show you real quick. The proper way to do like a decline push-ups, you want to elevate your legs to a certain level, and you just do your decline push-up just like that. The reason why you want to elevate your leg is going to add more difficulty. It's going to work your upper chest, your tricep, your bicep more, and stuff like that. So I just got this letter right here just to give me extra difficulty. So let me show you again. You could start out at the bottom step, and you go all the way down, and you just do your push-up just like that. If that's too easy, you go to the next level, like this. If you get higher, and you just do it. Do your decline push-up, just like that. And for the last one, put your leg all the way up. This is real difficult. And you do your decline push up. I'm tired. This way you work your upper chest and tricep, bicep, and your shoulder. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.